What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of 321 Fishing. Today we're here gonna do some surf fishing here in my hometown Cocoa Beach, doing some surf fishing. And today we're gonna try to get some sand fleas, and also brought my cast net, try to get some finger mullet or some crook or anything that's running around the beach to catch some snook. Accordingly, there's supposed to be some big mullet pod coming down, so hopefully we get some, maybe catch snook. Also gonna go after pompano and anything else that'll be biting on the surf bite. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you enjoyed this video, like it, smash a like button, comment. It really means a lot to me. Thank you guys so much for the support lately, and make sure you stay tuned for the 100 subscriber special, which will be coming very, very soon. So we'll get out on the beach. It's a beautiful morning. Very calm flat, so we're gonna get out there. So gotta stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're gonna be going out sand flea net. Pretty much basically all you gotta do is you see them in the sand and make sort of like this sort of symbol in the sand. Mostly when the tide comes out, that's the best time to try to get them. And also where the birds are going after, usually what they're going after. And pretty much all you gotta do is like scoop in the sand like that, and rinse it out in the water, and then they'll be in there. So try to get some. So gotta stay tuned. All right, for you guys don't know what a pompano rig, pretty much 2-3 hooks, also called chicken rig. You got your little floats, keep it floated, little hooks, get your pyramid weight on the bottom. You got sand fleas on it. So beautiful sunrise out here, and we have another rod to do, and then that's gonna be the snook rod with the mullet down there. So we'll get this one boy casting. So you gotta stay tuned. All right, you got a fish on, guys. Saw a huge tarpon jump out there. It's really, really cool. Big boy. So I'm having a hard time getting some mullet or any sort of bait fish. So let's see what I do there. Let's see what this guy is. Oh, whiting. Not a bad fish. Whiting Gulf kingfish. Well, it's actually a pretty good size one. Not a bad size one. Ladies and gentlemen, beautiful whiting. It's a pretty popular beach fish to catch and eat around here. But here he is. The hook out. Is that perfect mouth. There's that perfect mouth for eating sand fleas and other shrimpy crustaceans and stuff. But one thing you have to be careful though is they got sharp, razor sharp gill plates. Chill, bud. All right, there you go. All right, get you guys back in a little bit. All right, guys, we got a fish on. All right, fish on, fish on. Hopefully it's something good. So you get the hook set. It's a little bit bigger. Oh yeah, it feels much bigger than whatever it was. Now it's running right towards the shore. Do it right again. Oh, I see him right there. Oh, it's a pompano. The pompano, guys. The pompano. The pompano. The pompano. Nice. Hell yeah, guys. He's too small though. He's way too small though. Nice pompano, guys. Look at that beautiful Florida pompano. I gotta keep my sand flea too. Beautiful fish. I'll get it measured up real quick because it could be a keeper, but sort of doubt it. They have to be 11 from the fork. Let's see. Zoom it close. Where's my ruler? All right. He's right there, so I'm gonna let him go. But beautiful pompano. I'll get you guys back in a minute after I release him. Look at that pole bend, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. I don't know what this is, guys. Holy crap. He took the pole right out of my hands. It's huge. Look at that pole bend up there, guys. I don't know what you guys see, but something big on here, boys. Holy shit. My sand's covered. Good thing this is a sealed reel. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Holy. My recording's so good. Holy crap. I don't know what this is. Might be a couple Pompano ones. Oh crap. Holy. Hope it doesn't get tangled up in my other line. Oh, he got off! No! Ah! Damn it. Alright guys, got something on this rod now. Oh crap. Oh yeah. It's going right to shore, whatever it is. Hopefully this one doesn't break off. It's a good fight again. Nice fight. Sort of fighting the same way as the last big thing. I'm gonna play him easy. I hope it's not a shark. I'm starting to think they are. It's fighting very odd. I've been surprised before. I see him. I don't know what it is. How are you about to figure out? Look at the pump. Big. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boys. Look at that beautiful pompano. Look at that. Beautiful. That's a keeper. All right, guys. Get you guys back in a minute. All right, guys. Got our beautiful, almost 13-inch pompano. So we'll keep them. Hopefully get another one. So gotta stay tuned. All right, guys, got a fish on. Wait, here another whiting. A whiting.
Whiting?
Yeah.
Nice. Really?
Oh yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. It was an amazing day fishing. Caught a couple great pompano, one keeper, and then a couple beautiful good sized whiting. Then we had that mystery fish what broke me off, which I don't know if it was maybe a shark or just a couple, maybe it was just a couple pompano that were on the hooks and that's what snapped it. But other than that, it was an amazing, great day. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, join the family. We're growing faster every single video, and I really appreciate it. Make sure you stay tuned for the 100 subscriber special, which will be coming soon to the channel. So, I'm Nick Warner. I'll see you on the next one. Sign off.